everyone, welcome to another session of product terminology. So today we'll be focusing on product management for a baking business. How actually you can use your product principles to make your business grow and sustainable. So first we have is define your business objectives and goals. What type of products your business deals in? It could be cakes, cupcakes, cookies or dessert. Who is your audience? That could be weddings, birthdays, corporate clients or any other events. What differentiation your product is offering? Maybe personalized cake, using premium ingredients, artistic cakes or having some vegan options like gluten-free cakes, keto cakes. This will make your brand stand out. So if we take an example of an Instagrammer, Shivesh Bhatia, who's a self-taught baker and an author of 5 cookbooks, started from scratch and now has a presence of 3.3 million followers. So similarly for us, we can have some goals which we need to achieve in the next 3 to 6 months. Let's say have 5,000 followers before launching the product, achieve 100 plus orders in the next 3 months, start a monthly subscription based service. Second we have is identify who your market is and do a competitive analysis. So in this particular case, if we see another influencer, Pooja Dhingra, who bought French desserts in the Indian market, started from a special product called macarons, which we had never heard of. But from a niche product, she now has expanded her presence all over India. So what will help us is analyze the competitors' pricing, flavors, and the differentiation that the particular product is offering. Next could be using Instagram or WhatsApp to conduct surveys and polls to see what our customers are liking, review Pinterest ideas to see what is trending, identify these trending themes like minimalistic cakes, gluten-free cakes, or gender reveal cakes. Once we know what the market is, then third we can move on to the product strategy and the pricing. What all products you will be focusing on? It can be customized cakes or cupcakes. Next could be monthly subscriptions of desserts. So every week you have a subscription for a 3 months so that you get a limited set of desserts. We can also have cupcakes and pastries which can focus on the bulk orders, partner with some corporates or some event management companies to do a subscription based offering. Have a DIY kit which our customers can just use at their home as a ready to mix ingredient. For pricing, we can have tier based pricing. One, we can focus on the basic customers, and second, offer some products as a premium set of offerings which just cater to a niche set of products like macaroons or something particular which the customer are maybe just using it for an extravagant taste. We can also focus on combo meals, selling cakes, cookies and cupcakes as a whole box so that it gives the customer an experience of different products our company is offering. Then we can have a signature flavor to make a brand recognition. Fourth, we have is sales channel and order management. So how exactly you will be selling your product to the customers? It could be using Instagram or WhatsApp to create a personalized connection, using website or some Shopify account so that we can automate the orders, partner with quick delivery partners like Blinkit, Zepto, Instamart so that we can deliver pan-India, partnering with local exhibitions or conducting shows in your neighborhood or some event which is happening so that customers can relate with your brand. For order management, we can use WhatsApp for Business, which will help us automate orders, then use some tools like CRM or Zoho integration to automate the invoices. For bulk ordering, we can also focus on the Google form instead of managing orders one-to-one. Set up pre-orders and express delivery. So since in the caking business, the life of the product is very slow. So we need to make sure that whatever order we are getting, it is delivered in 1 to 2 days. Then we have this branding and marketing strategy. So if we see the famous bakers these days, one thing which is common in them is having a same aesthetic feel, which actually the end customer can relate to. So on your Instagram page or wherever you are branding the product, use the same font, aesthetics or high quality photos and videos. Show some behind the scenes on how actually this baking process looks like, so that it can inspire budding bakers and they relate with your particular product. For marketing, one can use trending audio on Instagram or TikTok, partner with famous influencers and so that they can promote your product and do a giveaway. Have referral discounts so that if the customer is coming again, offer them some discount, some seasonal promotions for festivals like Christmas, Diwali or New Year. Also giving some freebies to the end user. Next we have is customer experience and retention. So how exactly you make sure that the customer is actually liking your product? Send a follow-up on their birthdays or anniversaries, send a thank you note or a small cupcake free with the main cake so that the customer actually likes it, that okay, they are getting something from your product. For customer retention, we can have a loyalty program where we offer some discount on the customers if they are making repeat orders. Next, we can have subscription based offering as we discussed. We can also offer exclusive discounts to a long-term customers. Use WhatsApp broadcast for making a connection with them, or whenever we are having any sales or offers, broadcasting it to our customers using Instagram or WhatsApp. Next we have is business operations and scaling. How exactly you run your business? So as we mentioned, the shelf life is very low and the distribution is also limited. So we need to make sure that the inventory is on the track and there is nothing which is getting overstocked. Also maintain a good partnership with your suppliers, because whatever you are using in your product will actually go to the end customer. Have a list of ingredients ready. So sometimes when you need to share it with your franchisee or some another partner, you know what exactly they are using and you maintain the quality and the essence of your product. For scaling, once you have your brand established, as we see Pooja Digra, once her product was established and she was able to reach out to the end customers, she expanded into physical stores. So now she has a lot of stores in Mumbai and across Pan India by the name of Lay Pastries. We can also offer different cake decoration videos, write books to inspire young bakers. Then we can partner with corporates or conduct different events in specialized areas like gender reveal, baby showers. These days people want to just celebrate. So using these baking techniques, we can focus and make a personalized connections with the consumers. So overall, if we see what Pooja Digra did, by focusing on a niche set of product with the right set of marketing and sales strategy and focusing on the right customers, she expanded this business over the whole India. She has also been part of famous shows like MasterChef and is now focusing on international expansion. Hope you like this video. Stay tuned for more such exciting content. Thank you.